Hello, welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss how you can power a two-bedroom house using solar. So in this case, we are going to find out the size of the inverter, the size of the battery, the solar panels, and we estimate the cost for a two-bedroom house solar system. So we have done the entire video on YouTube, but for this case, I'm going to do the recap. We have done the first thing. It is the load analysis. This is finding out what is the load, or what are you going to power with this solar system. And we have found that you need peak power demand of 3675 watts, and then you also you have daily energy demand of 4590 watt hours. So the second step is sizing the inverter. So for sizing the inverter, we use the peak power demand, and you also have to factor in the efficiency of the inverter, because the efficiency of the inverter is important because that is the idle consumption. So we have found that we need at best 5 kVA of an inverter, and we have chosen hybrid for the purposes that we'll see later. Then the other thing we have found out is the battery size should be at least 6 kilowatt hours, and this is a lithium battery. And then the solar panels should be three panels, each 600 watts, And then finally, it is the cost calculation. So for this load, you need to go to our YouTube to find what equipment or what appliances that are going to use this amount of energy. So for the cost, for this 5 kVA inverter, we have found that most people are selling it at around 60,000 Kenya shillings. The 6 kilowatt hour lithium battery, it is going for at least 120,000. And the panels, 600 watts each, they are going for at least 12,000 each. So that is 6,000. You have the three. And then if you sum up, you are going to find that the total amount of money you need to use to acquire these three stuff is 216,000. Then we have additional cost, and this is the labor, the wiring, and other equipment like the breakers. You need to spend at least 50,000. So on total, for this two-bedroom house, you need at least 266,000 Kenya shillings.